guys, it's Joshua. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for a healthy vegan Nutella. If you're interested, please continue watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more healthy recipes. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 355 degrees. Next, you're going to take your pan and line it up with parchment paper. Next, you're going to pour some hazelnuts onto your pan and roast them for 15 minutes. While the hazelnuts are in the oven, you're going to take your dark chocolate and melt it with your coconut oil. So this is the chocolate I'm going to be using. This is the same chocolate I used for my brownie recipe and I really enjoyed it. I'm using 80% cacao, but you can use anything that's above 70 as that is considered healthy. Once the hazelnuts are ready, you're going to let them cool down and then remove their skin. Take your hazelnuts and add it to a blender. Now you're going to blend the hazelnuts until they become very fine. Now you're going to add the chocolate and the coconut oil. Add the maple syrup. The vanilla. And the salt. And that is how easy it is to make healthy Nutella.